Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 smart coffee maker in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading smart coffee maker that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So, without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Hamilton Beach 2-way 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker and single-serve machine. This versatile coffee maker promises to brew your perfect cup. This machine lets you brew a single cup or a full pot of coffee using your favorite ground coffee. It's super convenient, whether you need a quick pick-me-up or a pot for sharing. With the included mesh scoop, brewing is a breeze. Just scoop, place, and brew. No need for separate scoops or measurements. Plus, you can program the brewing time up to 24 hours in advance. If you're brewing for one, this machine has got you covered. It doesn't use K-cup pods, so you can stick to your favorite loose ground coffee, making each cup just right for you. Worried about leaving the coffee maker on? The 2-hour automatic shutoff gives you peace of mind. You can walk out the door without turning back, knowing it will turn off automatically. Program your coffee maker the night before, and wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee. Fill it with water, add ground coffee, and set the time. Your morning just got a whole lot better. Conclusion: the Hamilton Beach 2-way coffee maker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 4. The BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker. It's packed with features to make your coffee brewing experience easy and enjoyable. Sneak a Cup. Feature: one of the coolest features is Sneak a Cup. This temporarily stops the coffee flow, letting you pour your first cup before brewing ends. No more waiting impatiently, and no mess. The Easy View water window on the front shows you exactly how much water you've added. This means precise measurements every time, resulting in the perfect coffee-to-water ratio. Large, rubberized buttons and a clear digital display make this coffee maker user-friendly. You can easily program the brewing time and control the machine with ease. Set your coffee maker to start brewing before you wake up. The programmable feature ensures hot, fresh coffee is ready when you need it, making mornings smoother and more enjoyable. The washable basket filter is eco-friendly and cost-effective. No need to buy paper filters anymore. Simply rinse and reuse, making cleanup easy and reducing waste. Conclusion: the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup digital coffee maker combines convenience, functionality, and ease of use. Number 3. The Philips 3200 series fully automatic coffee machine. This machine promises to brew 5 delicious coffees with ease. The Philips 3200 can brew espresso, coffee, americano, cappuccino, and latte macchiato. Each cup delivers perfect results, making your coffee moments special and hassle-free every time. Selecting your favorite coffee is a breeze with the intuitive touch display. Just one touch, and you're on your way to enjoying the irresistible taste and aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The aroma extract system optimizes the balance between brewing temperature and aroma extraction. This ensures each cup is brewed at the perfect temperature, delivering maximum flavor and aroma. The 2-parts milk system is simple to clean, with no tubes or hidden parts. Just rinse under the tap or pop it in the dishwasher for a quick clean in just 15 seconds. With the AquaClean filter, you won't need to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups. Enjoy clear, purified water and maintain your machine with minimal effort. Conclusion: the Philips 3200 series coffee machine is perfect for brewing a variety of delicious coffees with ease. Number 2. The Cuisinart coffee maker DCC-3200P1. This machine promises to deliver the perfect cup every time. Enjoy hotter coffee. Thanks to expert coffee-making technology, this coffee maker ensures your coffee is always at the perfect temperature. Enjoy a delightful taste experience without compromising flavor or quality. Tailor your coffee to your liking with the brew strength control feature. Choose between regular or bold settings to match your unique taste preferences and enjoy a perfectly brewed cup every time. Experience ultimate convenience with its 24-hour programmability. The 1 to 4 cup setting, auto-off functionality, and optional ready alert tone make brewing coffee easier than ever. Indulge in generous servings with the sleek 14-cup glass carafe. Its decorative stainless steel handle and body add a stylish touch, making it a beautiful addition to your kitchen. Accurately fill water with the Easy View water window. Plus, the Brew Pause feature lets you savor a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle completes, enhancing your coffee drinking experience. Conclusion: the Cuisinart Coffee Maker DCC 3200 P1 combines convenience, style, and functionality. Number 1. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio two-way coffee maker. This versatile machine promises quick and customizable brewing options. The FlexBrew Trio offers 3 brewing options: a single 10-ounce cup with a pod, a 14-ounce cup with coffee grounds, or a full 12-cup pot. Perfect for any coffee craving. In a rush? This coffee maker brews a single cup in just 90 seconds. Every second counts in the morning, and the FlexBrew ensures you start your day swiftly with a fresh cup of coffee. With a 56-ounce water reservoir, you can brew 7 single servings without constant refilling. The large, removable reservoir saves you time and simplifies your morning routine. Set up the Easy Touch programming the night before and wake up to hot, ready coffee. The backlit display makes it simple to program the perfect brew time for a smooth morning. Choose from 5 single-serve sizes: 6, 8, 10, 12, or 14 ounces. Whether you're using ground coffee or pods, this flexibility ensures you always get the perfect amount in your cup. Conclusion: the Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio two-way coffee maker combines speed, convenience, and versatility. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.